Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to change Gmail address. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So basically here is no way to change our Gmail account address, but if you really want to change your Gmail address, then you have to forward your older Gmail account to a new Gmail account. So as you can see, this is my old Gmail account and I have created a new Gmail account here. So first of all, open your new Gmail account and click on settings, see all settings, and click on accounts and import, and click on add another email address. And here you have to give the email name and older email address here. So I'm going to put in my old email address here, and make sure to check this option. Next step, send verification. And now open your old Gmail account, and here you will get an email with a verification code. Copy this code and go to your new Gmail account and click on this verify and paste the verification code here. So here you can see I have successfully verified the account. And now go to your old Gmail account and click on settings, see all settings, and click on forwarding and pop IMAP, and click on add a forwarding address. And here you have to put your new Gmail address. So I'm going to copy my new Gmail and I'm pasting it here. Next, and click on proceed, and a confirmation code has been sent to your new Gmail account to verify permission. Now I'm going to my new Gmail account inbox, and here we can see the verification email. So I'm copying this one, then I'm going to my old Gmail account. I'm pasting the verification code here, verify, and here you can see you have verified the forwarding address. And now if someone send the email to my old Gmail account, the email will be forwarded to my new Gmail account. So this was how we can change our Gmail address. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.